welcome to Marina's Kitchen. I'm going to make a lovely carrot and pineapple cake this morning. It's very nice and moist. It's something I wanted to use up. I wanted to use up some carrots. If you've got some carrots you want to use up, just make this beautiful carrot and pineapple cake. It's so easy to make and so lovely and moist. I've got here a 1 3/4 cup of grated carrots. I grated my carrots, and I've got here a tin of crushed pineapple. I drained, and I'm going to add that to my carrots. Just a tin of crushed pineapple drained. I want it drained. I don't want the juice in it. Just add that. It's very easy because we just have to put everything in together. And I've got here a cup of vegetable oil. Just put it all in. See, it's so easy to no beating. And a cup of sugar. I'm going to mix that around first, and then I'm going to add my flour. I've got 4 eggs here. I've got a cup of coconut, and it's a beautiful moist cake. I've lined a bar tin. I like putting it in the bar tin. Now I'm going to add my flour and my eggs. There's my carrot and my crushed pineapple, and a cup of vegetable oil and a cup of sugar. And now I'm going to add my coconut. I've got a cup of coconut in there. Now, excuse me, to this 1½ cups of plain flour, I'm going to add my baking soda and my baking powder to that. I'm going to mix it all up. And I've got my cinnamon. I've got a teaspoon of cinnamon to that. So just mix that all together like that. I've got 4 eggs here, and I've got ½ cup of crushed walnuts. Just mix that all together with my flour, and I'm going to add that lovely coconut. It gives it a lovely flavour to it. Just mix it all around bit by bit. It's very easy because no beating. Just put it all together, and I'm going to add my flour. There's 2 cups of plain flour, and you've got the baking powder and the baking soda in there, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Just keep on adding the same thing all the time. And I'm going to there's my 4 eggs. I'm just going to put a bit at a time. 4 eggs in that. It makes a beautiful bar cake. You don't have to put it in the bar tin if you want to put it in the round one, it's okay. Just mix that all up together. It's lovely and moist. Just mix it all up together. No beating, very quick. As long as you've got everything, you've got some. I wanted to use up these carrots I've got inside, so I thought I'd grate them and make up, but this beautiful. I had a tin of crushed pineapple inside, and I'm going to just keep on adding the flour to that. Just maybe I'll put it all in. Okay. And I'm going to add all my eggs to that. There's 4 eggs there. And there you go. That's so easy, quick to make. It's just put it all together and beat it all together. And I've got here ½ cup of crushed walnuts, which are really, really nice. That just gives that little bit of extra flavour to it. I'm getting better with my hand. I've just got to take it easy when I'm beating something. It's getting a little bit stronger now to do with mine, but I still got to do a lot of exercise to it and a lot of therapy to it. Now that's just coming together nicely. Okay, and I've lined my bar tin, and what I've got here is I've got some melted ice and sugar, and I kept a bit of grated carrot. So then when the cake cools down, you can ice it, and then you can sprinkle some grated carrot on the top, okay? Now I'm going to add my walnut pieces to this. A beautiful, a lovely moist cake. It's a beautiful moist cake. It's a beautiful carrot and pineapple cake. Just add that all together like that. I can't go very fast on my hand. I'm beating it all together. It's very easy. Now I'm going to put my walnuts, ½ cup of walnuts to that. Just gives that a little bit extra flavour to it. Look at the lovely mixture, beautiful mixture. It's a lovely soft mixture. You've got all the carrot, grated carrot. I got a cup of vegetable oil. I got a cup of sugar, a cup of coconut, which gives it a lovely flavour too, that extra flavour, and that ½ cup of those walnut pieces, which give it a little bit of extra flavour to it. And look, that's just lovely. Let's put together 4 eggs, 2 cups of plain flour with some baking powder and some baking soda and a cup of coconut. Look, that's beautiful. That comes really, really lovely. You can tell it's a lovely moist cake. You've got that lovely grated carrot and you've got that tin of crushed pineapple. Drain your pineapple, we don't want the juice in it. And look, that's a beautiful, just put everything in together with that cup of vegetable oil. Just put everything in together. Look, just to bake a beautiful cake. Now I'm going to pour it in here. I'm going to see if I can do it because I've got to take it easy with my hand. Just pour it all in there. It's a lovely bar cake. You can either make it in a round tin if you don't have the bar tin. It's quite okay. Just pour it all in there. And look, this will go for about 180 for about 25 to 30 minutes. And look, it's just lovely. It's just beautiful in that bar tin. Now when that's cooked, I take it out, I cool it down, and what I've done here, I've melted a couple of tablespoons of ice and sugar. I've left a couple of spoons of that grated carrot. I'm going to sprinkle it on the top, so that will come out when this comes out of the oven. And look, that's a beautiful carrot and pineapple cake. It's a lovely moist cake. You've got the coconut in there, the carrot, and you've got the vegetable oil and the tin of crushed pineapple in it. We can strain it. And look, that's very easy to make, well, wasn't it? As long as you've got all your ingredients ready, just put all your ingredients ready, just put it all together, and you've got this beautiful bar tin of cake. Orange and pineapple cake, okay? Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye.